In this problem, we have to find different ways of arranging letters in the word arrange. So I'm writing here arrange like this. And it is also given that how many of these do not have two R's and two A's together. So firstly, we will understand how to arrange this word as given as arrange. So first we will count the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we'll write 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the arrangement that you will do. Now the second case that we will do when these two values are together. So we will take 2 R's and 2 A's that are together. So I'm writing 2 R's together, I'm taking 2 A's together. I will make this group as 1, this group as 1, and the rest of the word that is given as NGE will make as 3. So now we are having 5 letters and I will arrange those 5 letters like this. Since we are not having any common value here, or we can say similar value, so we will write it as 5 factorial. But we have to arrange RR, so we will arrange 2 factorial by 2 factorial multiply with 2 factorial by 2 factorial. So this is the normal arrangement that we have. This is the arrangement when 2 R's and 2 A's are together, and you will write it like this. Now if we want to find the value of the arrangement when these two values are not together, so we will write it as equal to number of ways, that is equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial multiply with 2 factorial, and I will subtract it with 5 factorial. And now we can take this 5 factorial common and you will get the value as 7 into 6 by 2 into 2 minus of 1. Once you will solve, you will get the value as 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, and you will get the value as 7 3s are 21, 21 minus 2, that is equal to 19. So 5 factorial into 19 divided by 2, that we can write, and factorial can be written as 120. 120 can be written as 60 multiplied with 90. And let's multiply 60 and 90. So 16 multiplied with 19, you will get the value as 6 9s are 4, you will get the value as 5, 6 1s are 6, 5, that is equal to 11. So the correct answer that you will get, that is equal to 1140.